Allah'ım her yer yıkıldı.
About a dozen buildings were reported to have collapsed after a magnitude 6.1 earthquake hit northwestern Turkey on August 10th. Footage captured the violent shaking, which was measured at 11 kilometers deep and centered in the Balıkesir province. Emergency crews successfully rescued several people from fallen structures, and the search for more trapped people continued Sunday. There were no immediate reports of casualties. In 2023, a powerful earthquake in Turkey and Syria claimed more than 56,000 lives.